Hello everyone, this is Opster Gaming here. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to create a welcome screen on Discord. Now I made this video a few months ago, but I never actually got round to releasing it. In fact, actually I'm doing this audio 3 months later because the original audio on the video is quite outdated, and also it was a bit messed up because I accidentally left a fan on in the background, so that would have been annoying. So I decided to edit it now. Looking at the date on the actual video itself, that was about 3 months ago, so yeah, quite a while ago. But the concept of the actual video is still the same, nothing has changed. So how does it work? It's all the exact same, so I'm going to use the same clip and I'm going to talk over it. So here's your welcome screen. As you can see, I'm doing it on my Opster Gaming YouTube server. To join the server link is in the description below. So you go to settings. I'm going to pop up on the screen that you can't see. You go to community, then welcome screen. You might need to enable it through the membership screening feature if you haven't done that already. So as you can see, this is what it's supposed to look like on the screen. If you want to be able to preview it once you finish, you press the preview button. I'll show that later on. But as you can see, it says welcome to Opster Gaming YouTube server, uses your server logo. But that description is what will pop up whenever someone first joins the server. So you want to put something in there which kind of gives an introduction to your server and engages the members joining the server, sort of. I'm trying to think the right way to say it. Obviously you don't have many characters that you can use in the description, so you got to try and fit something in there which gives everything that you want to give across whilst also fitting the maximum amount of characters allowed. So as you can see in mine, I'll put in this server, players of all games can come together and discuss. Trying to read it, so fuzzy on my screen. Come together to discuss strategies and the latest updates for their favourite games. You can tell that I'm doing audio over this 3 months later. I don't remember a thing I typed in there. Obviously in the things to do in your server you'll have a lot more than mine. My server has an embed on its first page where you have to get a reaction roll. I have a security kind of feature in there where you have to unlock the server. I have it in there because I want to be able to catch people, and bots specifically, entering, because bots can enter and just spam your page, whereas if you join my server, bots ain't going to press that reaction roll to get a check, which means they're not going to be able to type anything, they're going to be stuck there, which is exactly what I want. Whereas humans will obviously have the intelligence to know. You read the very bottom, it says press this tick to proceed, and then you press the tick and get to the next page, select your roles. Very simple. It's actually quite shocking at how many people don't do it. Because they can't all be bots. Very strange one. You find though that the people who do want to join the server, they do it within probably about 10 seconds they get through, which is really easy and quick. I would recommend that a lot of big servers do it, and servers who not necessarily just big, their servers of importance or trying to be professional do it as well. On the ad recommended channel, which I'm doing here, you can put an emoji in there and you can write in what people can do in the channel. Obviously for mine, I only want one page because they're going to be clicking on pages and it takes them directly to it, whereas mine they have to actually proceed to unlock the server, meaning that they're not going to be able to go to them pages, so it's pointless at being there. That'll just confuse them. So if you're doing like mine, you want to just put your go to this page to unlock server. So you click on that and it takes them straight to the unlock server page. But if your server is open, you don't have any of that system, and as soon as they join you got chats and everything all on there. Put whatever you want on there. It could be like, here is the announcements page, here is the chat page, here is the videos page, here's the page for this game, blah blah blah, all that. I hope this all made sense to you guys. That's a preview of how it works. It looks like that with If you need any help, please feel free to ask me below. If you guys enjoyed, hit the helpful, give a like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell icon for more digital content. For now, peace out.